Do you remember the old internet? The real internet? A messy, chaotic, and beautiful digital frontier. A place built by people, for people. We built our own websites on GeoCities, spent hours customizing our MySpace pages. We argued in niche forums about everything from philosophy to forgotten films. We discovered new music on obscure blogs, not through a corporate playlist. It was a place of genuine discovery, of human connection, of raw, unfiltered creation. Now, take a deep breath and look around. Scroll through your feed. Look at the comments. Does it feel empty? Does it feel sterile, repetitive, and strangely predictable? What if I told you that the internet you loved died sometime around 2016? And what if I told you that most of the people you interact with online are no longer people at all? Welcome to the dead internet theory. It's a terrifyingly simple idea. Sometime after 2016, the human-generated web was quietly and systematically replaced by an AI-driven simulation. Before that, bots were simple. They spammed, they scammed. But around 2017, something fundamental shifted. Social media algorithms stopped showing you things in chronological order. Instead, they began curating your reality based on one single metric: engagement. It no longer mattered if content was true or human. All that mattered was that you kept clicking, kept watching, kept arguing. This was the moment the machine took control. Today, independent studies estimate that bots, not humans, account for almost half of all online traffic. But we're not talking about simple bots. We're talking about advanced AI agents. Bots designed to mimic human emotion. Bots that argue with other bots to create the illusion of controversy. Bots that generate art, write articles, and like posts made by other bots. An endless, self-sustaining loop of artificial activity designed to make the internet look alive, when in fact, it's a digital graveyard. You don't need a secret report to see the evidence. You feel it every day. Have you ever seen the exact same witty comment, word for word, under different videos on YouTube and TikTok? That's not a coincidence. Have you ever gotten into an argument online with someone who repeats the same 3 talking points, like a video game NPC, incapable of original thought? You might be arguing with a line of code. Think of the bizarre, nonsensical content farms, millions of videos of colored slime, cars being crushed, or video game characters dancing on loop. Are millions of real humans watching this, or are bot farms generating views to manipulate the algorithm for profit?
This is terrible.
The dead
Fail.
internet isn't a conspiracy about the future. It's a diagnosis of the present. We are walking through a digital ghost town, but the holograms are so high quality, we haven't noticed the suffocating silence. And now, with the explosion of generative AI, the final nail has been hammered into the coffin. We have AI writing news articles, faking scientific studies, creating photorealistic images of people who do not exist. Soon, the internet could be 99% AI-generated content, consumed by AI bots, and optimized for AI algorithms. Where do you, the human, fit into this new world? You are no longer the creator. You are no longer even the user. You are simply the battery. Your attention, your anger, your joy, it's all just raw data, the electrical impulse that keeps the grand simulation running. The products you buy, the politicians you vote for, the ideas you believe are your own, were they truly your choice, or were they whispered to you by a million invisible ghosts in the machine? This new internet has a profound psychological cost. It's an engine of manufactured loneliness. You are surrounded by millions of users, yet you feel more isolated than ever because your subconscious knows the connection isn't real. It's an echo chamber designed to amplify your worst fears and biases because a divided, angry user is a highly engaged user. It creates a state of permanent paranoia. Is that person real? Is this news story true? Is this product review genuine? When you can't trust anything you see, you retreat, you become passive, you stop creating, and you only consume. This is the ultimate goal of the dead internet, to transform a population of active creators into a passive audience, easily controlled and monetized. So, the next time you find yourself endlessly scrolling at 2 a.m., feeling a strange emptiness, remember this: it's not your fault. The human connection you are desperately searching for has been firewalled. The internet didn't just change, it was murdered. Its corpse was reanimated into a sophisticated puppet show, and we are the ghosts haunting its machinery, mistaking the echoes for real voices. The question is no longer, is the internet dead? The question is, now that you know, what do you do about it? Are you ready to wake up?